Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a beef chuck roast with vegetables in the Instant Pot. So let's apply the pressure. I have about a 2-pound beef chuck roast here. This one is 2.22 pounds. This was $3.99 a pound, so that piece of meat was $8.86. I already seasoned it on both sides with some salt and pepper, so it's ready to go. I'm going to brown it up in the Instant Pot, so I put it on saute on high. I'm going to add a little bit of avocado oil to the bottom of the pot here, and we will get this in there and let it brown on that side. Spin it around a little bit so get that oil onto it. And let's see, I have some red potatoes, carrots, celery. I think I have part of an onion somewhere. So anyway, I'm going to cut that up while the meat is browning and get that ready to go. This pot is hot. There's grease splattering everywhere. It's been about 5 minutes, so let's flip this thing over. That looks pretty good. Okay, we'll do the other side. It's been browning for 5 minutes on that side, so I'll just shut that off for now. Smoking the place out. Now we'll get the veggies in there. I cut the red potatoes in half. I have a few stalks of celery. I left the carrots in pretty good sized chunks there. And I had a little bit of onion. So we'll get that in there. Now we just need some broth. I have 4 cups of water here, and I'm going to use these beef bouillon cubes. You put 1 cube per 2 cups of water. So I've already put 1 cube in there. That's what they look like. These are the ones you get in the Hispanic section. They work pretty good. They're usually the cheapest too. So use that, but you can use those boxes of beef broth if you want, or better than bouillon or whatever kind of base you like. Also, I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. I like that with beef, so a little bit of that and a little bit of onion powder as well. I don't know, tablespoon or 2, I guess. Get that all mixed up. Now we'll get the broth in there. And get the lid on. Okay, now I'm going to cook this for 25 minutes on the pressure cook setting. And I'm going to turn the keep warm off and let the pressure release on its own. It's been an hour and a half and I just heard the pressure pin drop, so let's take a look here. Well, the vegetables are nice and tender. I figured they would be, but where's the meat? The meat's down there at the bottom, and it looks like it's pretty tender as well. You know what? I think I'm going to add some frozen mixed vegetables to that, just to thicken it up and add a little bit more to it. Okay, I have some frozen mixed vegetables there. I'm going to turn the pot to saute and turn it back on. And then I'm just going to dump some of these in there. You could eat that just like that and it'd be fine, but this would be kind of like a vegetable soup. The meat is really tender. See, it's all flaking apart, so this will be kind of like a beef vegetable soup. Dump about half the bag of this in there, I guess. This is looking good. Those vegetables only took about 10 minutes to cook. If I would put them in the beginning, they'd have turned to mush. So let me grab a bowl and we'll try it out. This looks like it turned out pretty good. Let's try it out here. Just cut that meat with a spoon. It's nice and tender. I can get some there. Looks good. That's good. You get a nice rich flavor from that chuck roast. Annie's dancing around, so I guess we'll have to let her try it. Annie's going crazy over there. This must smell good, huh, Annie? You want a piece? There you go. Inhaled. So that was in the pot about an hour and a half before the pressure released on its own. I guess you probably could let it out sooner, but I usually just figure for that. I like to let the pressure release naturally, so I usually just figure a little extra time for that. Anyway, you can do it however you want. It's a good recipe. I'll write the ingredients in the description. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.